What is happening in Canadian real estate market? We just got the fresh data from Canadian Real Estate Association Korea, and according to them, the inventory levels has jumped 11% between December and January, and that is the highest going all the way going to 1980s. So this is significant, guys. So the inventory levels are skyrocketing across the country. 11% jump between December and January. Okay, and the sales volume is dropping. Okay, 3% drop between December and January. So that is creating an imbalance between the sellers and the buyers. So there is not enough buyers, but there are plenty of sellers coming into the market. Okay, but the interesting thing is the prices are staying flat. It's not moving. It's moving sideways. Okay, not moving up, not moving down, and it may move sideways for a number of years because of obvious reasons. So let me break it down. So basically what's happening is the supply is going up, the inventory is going up, and because we are heading into the spring market, it always happens, the people will try to list their property ahead of the spring market to be able to get the momentum. Okay, the buyers are not moving. Okay, one of the major reasons is this uncertainty about the tariff situation coming in from the US. Okay, so what's happening is the mainstream economists have no idea how this is going to impact the economy in real terms. Okay, people are projecting their scenarios, they're giving their opinions, but nobody knows how these tariffs are going to really impact the Canadian economy. What's going to happen with GDP? What's going to happen with unemployment? Are we heading into recession? Are we going into depression? What's going to happen with the automotive industry here in Canada? What's going to happen with the lumber, steel? A lot of unknowns. Okay, because of those unknowns, the buyers are taking a backseat, looking around. Okay, I don't feel comfortable in this economic situation to make a big financial decision, so they are taking time. While the inventory is going up, that is going to put a lot of pressure on the prices, especially in the condo market, because the condo market is going through a huge crisis in Toronto, especially in the pre-construction segment, where the builders are now bringing more supply in the market. Oftentimes what happens is the builders try to hold some of the units with them. They don't list them straight away, and they keep them until the last moment when they can release them and sell them at a higher price. But the market is different now. Okay, we don't have enough buyers to actually bid on those pre-construction condo units, and more supply coming in, which will actually put a lot of pressure on the pricing, especially in the condo pre-construction segment. So we will see a lot of chaos in the pre-construction market, but when you have crisis, you also have opportunities. So if you are looking to find a deal, you may be able to find a deal in the pre-construction condo segment because you have the leverage. Buyers have the leverage now. It's a buyer market. Okay, there's a lot of sellers out there. The buyers can use their leverage to negotiate the pricing in their favor and be able to capture a better deal. Okay, I'm not saying jump in the market right now. Just observe it, how things are moving, going forward. But I think when you have the crisis, you always find opportunities. According to Warren Buffett, buy when everybody's selling and buy when the blood is on the street, even if it's yours. Okay, that's what Warren Buffett is saying. And I think when you have everybody selling, you have to find opportunity and take advantage of it. Okay, so my personal opinion, and I could be wrong, is the condo market will see more trouble going forward because there's a lot of inventory from the pre-construction segment coming out in the market. But the detached segment, the single family homes, we don't see a lot of price movement in that segment. And I think the overall pricing will remain flat. Okay, because the environment is very uncertain right now. The economic situation is very uncertain. People will not make major financial decisions. The sellers will not dump their properties, especially the single family home, unless they are running into major negative cash flow situation and they're not able to keep up with that. Then maybe they will dump them, but they will try to keep those properties with them, hold them as long as they can. Especially the homeowners, they won't sell it because the banks and the government will also try to protect it. They have been trying to protect it for so many years. Okay, look at what's happening. The banks are giving out extended amortizations. Okay, they're giving the homeowners everything possible to keep them in their homes by extending the amortization, renewing them with that lengthy amortizations, the government is giving out policies to help homeowners to be able to keep up with the mortgage payments. They're giving them low interest loans to build basement units to convert them into rentable unit for their in-laws. Okay, so there's a lot of policies coming out. There's a lot of help from the banks to help the homeowners to be able to keep paying the mortgages at a longer amortization. So the banks, the government, they're trying to keep the floor underneath the pricing, so the pricing will remain same, but we are seeing a lot of inventory coming. The sales are down. With economic uncertainty, the number of sales will continue to struggle until we see an improvement in the economic outlook. I could be wrong, but this is just my observation. Okay, you let me know what you think about that. Put your comments down below. Let me know, how are you seeing this is being evolved? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Are you feeling lost in the complexity of global economy and trying to understand how this is going to impact your investment portfolio? You are not alone, my friend. I have been through and I have learned the hard way, and I'm trying to converge all of my experience and learnings into a course that I just designed specifically for you. In this course, Mastering Macroeconomic Fundamentals for Investment Strategies, I'll show you how to decode the economic trends, navigate market cycles, and build smarter, adaptable investment strategies. You're going to learn, analyze key indicators like GDP, inflation, and yield curves, identify opportunities in commodities and crypto alike, and adjust your portfolio to thrive in any cycle. With real-world examples and actionable insight, this course will empower you to invest with confidence, no matter what the market is. Don't just react to the news. Understand them. Enroll now and take control of your financial future today.